当社では、鼓動、日本語で鼓動と言い
Our
ます。
design motto is Kodo, or soul of motion. We want to make strong products that impress our customers.
見る人を感動させるようなデザインの商品を出そうと今全員で頑張っております。工場の、
We rely on BricsCAD for the layout of our factory assembly lines, for the design of our tools, and things like that.
設備の二次元設計、等にずっと、使用しています。
世間の流れとして、3D CAD っていうものがあって、その 3D の空間を使っ
Our
て
industry is very innovative, and everything is moving towards 3D now. Our BricsCAD license is one that we can use for both 2D and 3D.
3D も使用ができるという、ライセンスあるので、
The volume of 3D modeling work is rapidly increasing, and I expect BricsCAD to support a smooth transition from 2D CAD to 3D
プロセス
CAD.
的にもできるんではないかという部分で期待しています。
Some of our staff were already familiar with BricsCAD, and most of them had already installed it, so the transition went smoothly and was frictionless. BricsCAD is a software that has no flaws and is at the same time very economical. That allowed us to buy more licenses and really smooth our workflow. We have a lot of plants overseas, and production is increasing rapidly.
BricsCAD の場合は
So, the fact that we can use the same licenses also overseas is definitely a factor, and it will help us shape our future.
使っても OK というこの全世界で使えるライセンスになっているところが大きな決め手になっています。
Ready for the future? Move to BricsCAD today.